I tried creating a Fuji Superia and Portra film look recipe for the Olympus EP3, although it might not be perfectly resemble the actual films. Nevertheless, I did my best, and today I want to share with you my tungsten film look recipe for Olympus cameras. Da, 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 da. With the rainy season here and winter in some parts of the world, I'd like to share a recipe that complements such weather. This setting is particularly effective for street photography at night, especially when artificial lights are present in the scene. Without further ado, here's the recipe. Da, 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 da. If you don't have this setting interface, you can check my other video on how to display it, so you can quickly set your preferred recipe. For ISO, I set it to 400, but consider bumping it up when shooting at night. Set the white balance to tungsten, of course, or the symbol resembling a light bulb. Amber +7, green +7, picture mode natural, sharpness +1, contrast +2, saturation +1, gradation normal, color space sRGB, and face detection off. Yep, I think that's it. If you want more top secret hacks and tricks to transform your ancient cameras into Hollywood superstars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join me on this photographic roller coaster. Until next time, keep snapping and keep it budget tight. Au revoir.